Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla. Here to show you another Skyway Classics hot rod. We got a 74 Chevy Corvette Stingray.
Red,
in
red,
beautiful
and ready.
race red paint. And yes, it is beautiful race red paint. You have your T-tops, tan leather interior. You have a real nice set of aftermarket American racing wheels. All the chrome and aluminum in this car is very shiny, like it's supposed to be. All the glass is nice and clear without fog. This has got a 350 small block in it, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning.
She's a beauty. And he did mention these are the T-tops that you can remove. So you can have a little convertible action. There is a car cover with it as well.
Looks like it's got upgraded retro stereo on it too.
Yep. Some cup holders.
The paint is literally gorgeous on this car.
For sure.
Perfect.
Very, very pretty car. The engine bay is immaculate too, which we're going to show you next. Then we'll take it for a spin, and then we will take a look at the undercarriage. Stay tuned. Inside the 74 Corvette.
Got a working RPM gauge, got a working clock.
Right.
Oil pressure and battery.
It's not often that those clocks are working, or at least on the right time.
It appears that it's got tilt steering. Oh yeah, she's nice and peppy. She feels real nice. She ain't making none of those funny noises they like to make. She's real quiet. The steering feels real good. Acceleration is very responsive. Oh yeah, she shifts into overdrive nice.
Beautiful.
3-speed? 4-speed. Nope, 3-speed.
3-speed. Brakes feel good too?
Yep, brakes feel great.
Awesome. This is a beautiful, beautiful Corvette. So come see us at Skyway Classics, and next we will spin it around, get it up on the lift, and take a look at